Welcome back. I'm Dark Gaming. I probably should change the username considering I'm no longer what it is, Dark Gaming. But yeah, I just gonna do a couple of solves. I got some nice stuff for Christmas. Like I got this nice little webcam right here, and I figured out how to get a better recorder. So this will go work out better than using my phone for everything because the camera's way better and stuff. And hopefully the mic's pretty good. I have no idea what it's gonna do. Um, yeah. Well, I got this nice mirror cube. Nice, fun. It forms, and for my daily solves today, at least for the first one, if it doesn't take too long, I am gonna just do a nice little solve, but with a twist. I should probably let's see if I can change what WCA event I have selected. 3 blind. There's no mirror cube version, so I'll just go 3x3 blind because that's the closest. But anyway, we got the GAN Mirror M. It's pretty good cube. Let's see, there it is. This is my blindfold. I did this earlier. I solved it once. It was a decent-ish solve. It was a good 6-minute solve. Feeling around the pieces. I will do a little bit of inspection time to try to get it know what I'm doing. But yeah. Gotta probably edit that part out. Don't want to just see me stare at my phone randomly. Okay, let's see. Scramble this. Oh, it's already scrambled. I'm stupid. Okay, so that there. To make it more fun, I don't even know where one of the cross pieces are. So I'm just gonna solve it without knowing where that piece is. I can't see a thing. I'm gonna figure out how to do this first. And go. I can't tell if it's there, but it doesn't matter. I can't tell if this is in camera, but because of course I'm blindfolded. Okay, that's not the piece. I got most of the cross already. Is that? No, that's too wide. Yeah, that's too wide there. Oh, that's probably it. No, it's not. I was wrong. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. No, that's not where that goes. That's not where that goes. No. No. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay. Hmm. That's first two layers. Got the top cross. Now I just need to orient the top. Okay. It's solved. Oh, a 5-minute solve. Let's go. So yeah, 5 minute, nice 5 minute solve. My eyes hurt. Let's do one more, but it's gonna be just a normal solve. I really hope the cube made it into frame, but I did do the entire thing blindfolded. Not how you're supposed to solve a mirror cube, but you can because you can feel the cube. But yeah, after this solve, I'm gonna probably just end it because I have stuff to do. Okay, this goes here. Where's the final? There's the final first layer piece. We're a minute 30, which is pretty fast considering I just got this 2 days ago. Let's see. What's the fastest time for mirror cube? Okay, let's see. 14 seconds. Okay, that's real fast. That's real fast. But yeah, a minute 26 is not too bad. Like, I'm getting pretty good at it. But anyway, see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Daily Solves.